Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Mr. Beast. Well, kinda. Digital Prospera hit me up to make this video pop off, and let me tell you, this stuff is fire. We're talking about how to build your own online business in 2024 and make some serious bank. I'm here to break it down Mr. Beast style, make it super simple, and show you how you can crush it online. Trust me, after this video, you're gonna be swimming in more dough than a giant money pit. We're talking about the future of making money, people. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. Online businesses are blowing up faster than my subscriber count. Millions of people are starting their own thing online, and here's the kicker. You can too. Whether you're into gaming, fashion, cooking, whatever, there's an online business out there waiting for you to crush it. But listen up, it ain't always easy street. Starting any business takes hustle. But with the right game plan, you can stack the odds in your favor. We're gonna dive into all the secrets, the tips, the tricks, everything. First things first, you gotta figure out what kind of online business you want to build. Are you gonna sell products like a beast, become an affiliate marketing master, or create your own digital empire? We'll break it all down so you can pick the perfect fit. Alright, so you're ready to build an online empire, but where do you even start? Don't worry, I got you. First up, we gotta find your niche. That's just a fancy way of saying, what are you passionate about? What gets you hyped? That's where you're gonna find your online business goldmine. Now let's talk about choosing your weapon, your online business model. E-commerce is like building your own online store, perfect for selling physical products. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and getting a cut of the profits. And then there's digital products, my personal favorite. You create something once, like an online course, an ebook, or even a super cool design template, and you can sell it over and over again. Supercharge your success, my secret weapon. Now I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, a game changer that can take your online business from zero to hero social media. Yeah, you heard that right. Those platforms you're probably already scrolling through every day are your ticket to reaching millions of potential customers. Think about it. I built my entire career on YouTube, connecting with people and having a blast. You can do the same thing for your business. Create engaging content, show off your products, and let your personality shine. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, these are your tools to build a loyal following that's ready to buy what you're selling. But it's not just about posting random stuff. You've got to be strategic, just like in one of my challenges. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, run contests, and make them feel like they're part of your journey. From zero to profit hero, you've got the idea, you've chosen your weapon, you're crushing it on social media. Now it's time to turn all that hard work into cold, hard cash. First things first, you gotta make sure your website or online store is optimized for conversions. That means making it super easy for people to find your products, understand their value, and hit that buy now button. Think of it like one of my obstacle courses. You want to remove any roadblocks that might slow people down. Next up, customer service. Treat your customers like royalty, even if they only spend $5. Happy customers lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth marketing, the best kind of advertising. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try different marketing strategies, see what works best for your business, and never stop learning and growing. Building your online empire one step at a time. Listen, building a successful online business takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. There's gonna be challenges, setbacks, and moments where you want to throw in the towel. But trust me, it's all worth it when you see that first sale come through, then the next, and the next, until you're generating more revenue than you ever thought possible. Start small, set realistic goals, and celebrate your wins along the way. So there you have it, the blueprint for building your own online business empire. It's time to turn off this video and start building your dream. Remember, the online world is your oyster. You got this. Head to the description below for more resources, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on building your online empire. See you next time. And hey, before you go, hit me with a comment down below and tell me what kind of online business you're gonna start. I'm pumped to see what you come up with.